Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by evaluating the rust so you know how aggressive to be. Surface rust sands away quickly, while pitting requires more time. Put on gloves and eye protection and clamp or stabilize the metal so it won't move. Begin with coarser 80-120 grit sandpaper and use steady pressure, keeping the paper flat to avoid gouging. Work in one direction to reveal clean metal. Once you see bare metal, switch to a finer grit to smooth edges and feather paint transitions. Once the bulk of the rust is gone, make sure to refine the surface by moving to 220 then 320 grit sandpaper. This removes scratches left by coarser paper and gives a uniform texture. Sand with moderate pressure using circular or crosshatch strokes to blend edges, alternate strokes to avoid creating grooves. Periodically wipe the metal with a clean rag and a bit of solvent so you can clearly see any remaining pits. If small pits remain, spend extra time with 320 grit until the area looks consistent. Finish by removing all dust and applying a rust inhibitor or metal primer within 30 minutes to prevent flash rust. Timing matters because bare metal oxidizes quickly. Lightly sand with 400-600 grit for a final smooth surface before painting or sealing to ensure adhesion. If you spot stubborn pits later, don't panic. Clean the area, use a metal filler or epoxy for deep voids, then sand smooth and reprime. If paint bubbles appear, scrape back to bare metal and repeat the process to ensure lasting protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.